Namaskar friends, I am Dr. Sahaj Shah, follower disciple of the legendary master healer Dr. Pankaj Naram. Friends, 1st September to 7th September has been designated as the National Nutritional Week, and it is really important and equally important for every individual that he or she gets the right nutrition and the right nutritional value from the food he or she eats. In spite of having the best quality food, we have been receiving many complaints regarding abdominal discomforts, other lifestyle diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and gastritis, and other issues. Why so, friends? Basically, nutrition depends upon the availability of the nutritional food, and at the same time, is your body competent enough, capable enough to digest the food that you are eating? Well, in spite of having the best food, we see many times lack of vitamins and vitamin D in our blood reports. Why? As I said, the ability of the body to digest that food and convert it into nutrients, macronutrients, which gets metabolized. But when these channels are blocked by the undigested food, we are going to face these deficiencies. So today, I'm going to share with you some very simple tips and some important remedies that I've learned from my master Dr. Pankaj Naram that can change our life and give us a healthy life and a right nutrition. Firstly, coming to the daily food habits, the eatings that we do. Let's understand and try to avoid wheat, consumption of wheat as much as possible. Reason being, it causes a lot of inflammation and heaviness in the gut, which makes it difficult for the digestive system to digest it. And you won't believe, alone by avoiding wheat, many of have experienced the result and the changes in their acidity issues to positive. They have realized that avoiding wheat itself has solved their acidity issues. Refined sugar. My master always said, be sugar free. That means he always used to say avoid refined sugar because it causes a lot of the cough imbalance in the body, which leads to congestion and other respiratory issues and digestive issues at times. Also, dairy free. He always used to jokingly say, don't drink buffalo milk, don't drink products made of buffalo milk, because if you do so, you'll be like buffalo. Well, his aim was to make us realize the dairy products that come from heavy animals like cows and buffaloes create a lot of heaviness and makes it difficult for our digestive system to digest them to nutrients, macronutrients, and throw the unrequired food products from them. But what about the dairy then we should have? He used to say have goat's milk, which is light in nature and light and easy to digest. Also used to recommend to have cow's ghee. Reason being, it is the easiest thing to digest by the body in terms of ghee, and it melts at body temperature, and it really lubricates and nourishes the gut and the colon. Also, friends, let's learn to avoid sour and fermented intake in excessive amount because it vitiates, it imbalances a lot of pitta in the body, which disturbs the digestive fire. Well, I shared some of the important tips that can be helpful in our dietary changes. But what about some home remedies that my master always used to say? First home remedy that I'm going to share with you is to improve your hemoglobin, to increase your hemoglobin and eventually have a nourished blood. So please note this simple home remedy. Beetroot juice 1/4 cup, cabbage juice 1/4 cup, carrot juice 1/4 cup, and apple juice 1/4 cup. All this when you mix together, it ends up a 1 cup, and you can have it every day empty stomach or whenever possible. Also, coming to nutritive value, what about the energy? What about the immunity? Well, today I'm going to share with you a very simple home remedy which my master has advised almost to everybody he's met till date. The energy drink formula. It will give you abundant energy. It will really energize your body the whole day and make sure that you get possible required nutrients. So the recipe of the energy drink formula is 3 almonds, 3 green cardamom, 2 dates, 2 figs. Soak everything in 1 mug of water overnight. In the morning, after you get fresh, take these soaked ingredients in a mixer grinder, add to it half teaspoon of ginger juice, and half a teaspoon of cow's ghee. Grind well and drink this beautiful energy drink. You will realize once you take this for 6 to 8 days. It will not only give you an energy but also help you to improve the immunity power of your body. So friends, I've shared with you today some very simple and important tips regarding the nutrition and nutrient value in the food that we consume on a daily routine life. Friends, to understand deeper and to have a personalized healing, you can contact us on the WhatsApp number given below. Thank you. Love you all.